OpenSpec is the fastest-growing spec-driven development framework for AI coding assistants. With 49,000 stars on GitHub and almost 400,000 npm downloads per month, it reached this milestone in just 9 months. Created by Fission AI and built by lead developer Tabish B, OpenSpec works with over 25 AI coding tools including Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, GitHub Copilot, and more. No API keys needed, no MCP servers, no vendor lock-in. How does it work? You simply install it with npm, initialize it in your project, and then use /commands like opsx propose, opsx apply, and opsx archive. Each feature gets its own folder with a proposal, specs, design, and tasks. OpenSpec stands out because it is lightweight and fluid, not rigid. It works on existing code bases, not just new projects. And unlike GitHub Spec Kit which uses rigid phase gates and Python setup, or AWS Kiro which locks you into their IDE, OpenSpec is a single npm install away. The philosophy is simple: agree on what to build before code is written. Every change produces a spec delta that shows exactly how the requirements evolve. Reviewers can understand the change without digging through the code. Version 1.3.1 was just released in April 2026 with path resolution fixes, glob artifact outputs, and cleaner JSON output for agent workflows. Workspaces for teams is coming soon. Whether you are a solo developer using AI assistants or an engineering team looking for structured workflows, OpenSpec brings predictability without the ceremony. Visit openspec.dev to get started or grab it on GitHub.